Welcome to Todd's world. Dimmers on the lights. Atmosphere, I guess. That's the way to unwind. Step into his house. Comfort and surprise. Welcome to Todd's world. Built with you in mind. Come if you're invited. All of the prep is done. Look and you will notice the common theme is fun. He'll be waiting there, giving bits away.
Todd World. What the heck? More like shit world. Oh my god. This show is my 5th worst show of all time. This show is about 5 characters named Todd, Benny, Pickle, Sophie, and Stella. And they all like to go on failure adventures. Todd is the worst. First of all, he likes to eat macaroni and cheese in the bathtub. And second of all, his design is the worst design I've ever seen. Pickle is an idiot. He even wears a crown. I wish I could smash his crown into a million pieces. Benny likes to pretend he's asleep when Todd wants him to do things. That's plain dumb. Stella is so damn bossy. And Sophie. Well, no one gives a fuck about her. Not at any number at all. The animation is garbage. The stories are pointless. The theme song is stupid. And the whole thing is just plain stupid. Thank God this show got cancelled in 2009. Thank fucking God likes this show ever. So, that's all I'd like to say. So fuck Todd World.
And we'll see you later, alligator. Alright, tune in next week for the stupid double dope invention that I got on, cause I don't know what happened to this invention.